Good morning, dear students. I hope everybody has done the chapter 5 of the reasoning, that is embedded figures in the reasoning book. Good. So continuing with the same chapter, today I will be discussing the question number 16 to question number 34 with you. These are same just like your previous questions. Now the figure will be given to you and you have to find out among which four figures that particular figure is hidden, that is fixed in that figure. Okay, so the first question is your this cross. Now you have to find out this thing, that in which four figures this cross is hidden. This cross is not hidden here. Yes, if you can see here, the cross is hidden here. Very good. Okay, so the answer is B part. Now the 17th question will be in homework. Now the 18th question, you have to find out this, where this figure is hidden among these four options. Okay, you have to find where is this figure among these four options. So you can see here, this can't be the answer. Yes, this is the answer. This can't be the answer. This can't be the answer. So where is this figure hidden? This figure is hidden in the B part. Okay. So now the 19th question will be in homework. Now move towards your 20th question. You have to find out where this figure is hidden. If you can see from here, no shape is like this in this figure. Yes, if you can see here, this shape is like the given shape. Okay, so the answer is your B part. So you can try your other options also to check whether these are containing your this shape or not. Okay, so now this 21, yes, this is clearly visible, no problem in this. This figure is written, definitely not there. Yes, you are right, it is here. Okay, so where is this figure hidden? Where is it is fixed? It is fixed in the P part. Clear? Now the 22nd question, you have to find out where this figure is hidden. So now try. Yes, this is hidden here. Okay, so this is which is the answer? Your answer is the C part. You have to see the things very minutely to check where this is hidden, or you have to keep your eyes open. Okay, so now where this is hidden, can't be here. You can't take it here because it is like this and this is like this. No, it is not here. Okay, so here where it is here. Okay, so the answer is your B part. Now the 24th question, you can see clearly that this is hidden here. This one, and then this, and then this. Okay, so the answer is your C part. You can try the other options also because it is clearly visible to me. That's why I am telling you this is the answer. 25th question will be in homework. Now the 26th question. Yes, where is this figure hidden among these four options? In this dancing puppet. Okay, so here is my answer. It is hidden here. And now where is this triangle with one straight line hidden? It is not here. It is not here. Triangle shape is there, but no straight line is there. So it is hidden here. So my answer is C. Now the 28th question. Yes, the 28th, you have to see where it is hidden. It is not here. It is not here. It is clearly visible that it is being hidden here. Now the 29th question, you have to check where is the answer. No, it is not here. It is not here. It is not here. Where it is hidden here. So my answer is this. Now the 30th question, you have to check where the given shape is hidden. Yes, so you can see here, it is not here, it is not here, it is not here. If you see the things clearly, it is here like this. So you can, when you will be doing this work in the book, so you can darken the shape from the given shape to just to clarify where is your figure hidden. Now where is this M here? Yes, can you find it out? Where is the M here? Is it here? No. Is it here? No. Is it here? No. Where it is? Yes, make it darken. M. So it is here done here. So answer is the B part. Now 32, 33 and the 34 question and some of the parts given earlier will be in your homework. You have to complete your homework in the book only. Okay. Thank you.